Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn how to insert a text on the workspace. So on your home screen, you just choose social media. You choose the dimension you want to use. Then we can go with the 4x5. When you open, a blank space comes, and then you go to the two sides. Then you select text. When you select text, you can see text appearing. Then you just tap on any text. When it comes, drag it, make it very big like this, and then you can position it at the center. Then from there you come here to select the font that you want to use. So you can use Fredoka, you can use Bobby Jones, right? So you can select any text that you like, any text of your choice. There are some texts that will not work with capital letters. For example, this is going to make it very nice in small letters. Do you see that? Choose any font you want. Yes, so that is how to add a text in your design.